Ever feel stuck in your creative process? What if you could use AI to generate endless artistic ideas? Today we're diving into a creative journey where artificial intelligence meets traditional artistry. And we'll show you exactly how ChatGPT can be your new favorite tool for inspiration. Using AI to inspire your art is no longer a distant dream. ChatGPT can generate prompts for art in any genre, and with image generation enabled, it can generate images from those prompts, helping you explore limitless ideas. Whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, it's an incredibly powerful resource to have in your back pocket. Let's explore a few art movements. From realism's truth tool life detail to surrealism's dream logic, each style has its own rules. In our tests, realism is also where AI can stumble, especially on physical plausibility, like object placement and optics. Then there's surrealism, where the subconscious takes center stage. Think bold colors and distorted forms in Expressionism, the geometric shapes of Cubism, the fleeting moments of Impressionism, or the vibrant energy of pop art. Then there's the intellectual depth of conceptual art, the chaotic freedom of abstract art, the futuristic dynamism of Futurism, and the grand emotion of Romanticism. Each offers a different lens on the world. Now, let's see it in action. With ChatGPT's image generation, we can create images in different art styles from a simple prompt. For example, let's ask for an abstract piece that captures the sound of a bustling city. Notice the chaotic lines and vibrant colors it creates. Now, let's try something different. How about an expressionist painting of a lone wolf howling at a fractured moon? See how the brushstrokes convey intense emotion and turmoil? It's that easy to get a visual starting point. So you have this it generated art. Now what? This is where your creativity truly shines. Let's explore how you can take these images and make them your own. You can use them as a direct reference or as a starting point to adapt, refine, and remix. Maybe you love the color palette from the abstract city, but want to apply it to a portrait. Or perhaps the composition of the wolf painting inspires a completely different scene. You can combine styles, add your personal touch, and transform the AI's idea into something uniquely yours. It's all about using it as a springboard for your own imagination. Always remember, AI is a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it. Your unique perspective, your emotions, and your skills are what make art special. Use ChatGPT to break through creative blocks, explore styles you've never tried, and push the boundaries of what you thought was possible. It's a collaborator, not a competitor. So whether you're a beginner, looking for a place to start, or an experienced artist seeking fresh inspiration, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for discovering, creating, and innovating. I encourage you to start using it today, and just let your creativity flow. You might be surprised at what you come up with. Thanks for watching. I hope you've discovered a new way to use AI to enhance your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and AI insights, and I'll see you in the next video.